The Redmi 6A was announced alongside the Redmi 6 and 6 Pro earlier this month in India. It stands as the entry model in Xiaomi's lineup for 2018. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and here are the first impressions of the Redmi 6A. The Redmi 6A is the successor to a 5A, but the latter might still be available on sale alongside as listings are still active. The 6A is priced at Rs 5,999 for the 2 plus 16GB model and Rs 6,999 for the 2 plus 32GB variant. There's no 3GB variant this time, unlike the 5A, probably to make way for the Redmi 6, as there are 3 models in the compact model range rather than 2 that we have seen in the previous years. Regardless of which model you choose, you get a MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor. It remains to be seen how the performance is, but so far it seems fluid. You get triple card slots that can house 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD, as well as provide support for dual 4G VoLTE. Despite being priced so low, the build quality of the device is good and it feels solid. The phone is also pretty compact that allows for easy handling. There isn't a fingerprint scan on the phone, but it does support Face Unlock. The 6A packs in a 5.45-inch 720p display with 18:9 aspect ratio and 2.5D curved glass. The display looks sharp despite the lower resolution, but then again for the display size, it seems to be apt, and also judging by the 3000 mAh battery capacity, it will help give better results in terms of battery life. The display seems to be better than the previous generation in terms of sunlight legibility, but we'll confirm that in our review soon, but indoors, it works very well. There's a 13MP unit at the back and a 5MP camera up front, both with f2.2 aperture. The good thing is that the 6A supports EIS during video recording. Here are some samples from the cameras while we get the review ready for you. One thing to keep in mind is that the pricing of the phone might increase after 2 months, but we'll know for sure when the time comes. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.